Today. So I just got this machine in and we did a full service and detail. A dear friend of mine by the name of John Lewis, who was in the slot machine business back in the 80s, came up with the idea of making a golf themed slot machine. So what he did was he created the left and right golfer, and as you see, this one's shooting to the left, this one's shooting to the right, as well as he did the golf ball, 2 golf clubs, and they're sitting on a tee, so the ball is sitting on a tee. He actually made the molds for this and had everything made. Then he had the award card made. It's all silk screened correctly and matching reel tapes. And what he did was he changed the cherries, oranges, plum, bells, bars to golf symbols, as you see here. So 2 golf balls is 2 cherries. He built this machine back when he did a fabulous job. He was a great mechanic. Basically, the castings in the cabinet on this are new. They were made in the 1980s. But I can tell you this, he put every effort into this machine to make it pure as driven snow, and this machine runs fabulous. The mechanism in this is primarily an antique Mills mechanism. I'm going to take it apart. You'll see the stills. It's clean as a whistle, beautiful running machine, as well as all of this is gold plated. He sent it out and had it gold plated. No expense spared. For you people who like golf themed things, this is a wonderful machine, as well as it is a 25-cent machine. Now this machine has its pump in it, which is important. The handle comes back slowly so that it doesn't slam back. See, we just got 2 golf balls, which paid us 2. Okay. Also, this machine, one again, has a full physical jackpot in it. So as you play this machine, once the pay tube is topped off, this will start loading and fill full of coins. So when you do hit the jackpot, which on this machine is a hole-in-one, it will drop 20 coins out of the pay tube, and this whole jackpot will gush out. This machine runs extremely smooth. The paint is beautiful, gold and black, quarter machine, super nice. As you see, the wood is really, really nice. I want to show you an example. This is the same thing the Golden Nugget did. See, the Golden Nugget took a Mills Golden Falls, and then they put their package on it. See, here you go, Golden Nugget. We replaced that with the golfers, as well as up here the Nuggets. The Nuggets went away and we put the golf balls. Once again, super nice machine, great package. He spent a lot of money on it. I haven't seen these around much lately. Beautiful, as you see. So for you golf community, this is a nice running, very nice running quarter machine. Plays and pays really nice. So anyway, this would be a great, great present for Father's Day or whenever it is coming up. So, or get it for your dad or the golfer in your family. Anyway, ready to go. We can get it shipped out to you. Great machine. So anyway, if you'd like it, let us know. Appreciate your time.
This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.